Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan bagels. First, combine warm water, a pinch of sugar, and active dry yeast in a bowl, letting it bloom for 5 minutes. Next, mix in bread flour, a little more sugar, and salt. Then, gradually add plant-based milk and knead the dough until it's smooth and elastic, which usually takes about 10 minutes. This forms the perfect base for your delicious bagels. Once your dough is ready, divide it into 8 equal portions, each weighing around 100 grams. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to create a hole in the center, stretching it gently to about 1 inch in diameter. Arrange your shaped bagels on a lightly floured baking sheet. Cover them loosely and let them proof in a warm spot for 30 to 45 minutes, allowing them to rise nicely. Now, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a gentle simmer, adding a tablespoon of sugar or malt syrup for a shiny crust. Carefully drop the proofed bagels into the simmering water, boiling them for 30 seconds on each side. This crucial step gives them their signature chewy texture. Transfer the boiled bagels to a baking sheet and bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown. After baking, let your delicious vegan bagels cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them set and prevents them from becoming gummy. Once cooled, slice them open and slather on your favorite vegan cream cheese, avocado, or any other topping you desire. They're perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a snack. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.